Mike in the building. What's good, y'all? Today we back here with another banger video, and today we're going to Unknown Tomorrow's car meet, their Taco Tuesday car meet. Taco Tuesday! Alright, so we're gonna see how the vibes is. We're gonna pull up. First of all, let me ask y'all how y'all doing. Alright, y'all comment down below how y'all doing today. Alright, that need to be the first thing I ask y'all. But if y'all haven't seen my last video was actually Ruin Culture's car meet. Alright, they had a car meet. We're gonna see how Unknown Tomorrow's meet is tonight, and we're just gonna go from there. If y'all have not gonna go see my last video, we got episodes starting this Saturday, and I already got somebody lined up for next week and the week after that. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, because I'm bringing y'all banger content all 2024. All right, and that's really just gonna be my goal. So like I said, yeah, y'all, I want to, you know, make sure that y'all set and make sure y'all turn on y'all post notifications, so every time I drop an episode, every time I drop a vlog, every time I drop whatever, y'all are there to see it. All right, I don't know if with the upcoming events, I don't know if y'all know, but they have a Slammed Enough in Atlanta coming May 12th. All right, so if y'all want to be there for that, y'all make sure y'all be there May 12th, 1 to 6 p.m. All right, like, comment, subscribe. I don't want to talk too much, I don't want to hold y'all too long, and let's get right into this video. What's good, YouTube? Hey, we here at the meet. All right, and as y'all can see, we saw some of the people that rolled into the meets, but hey, it's lit. I'm not gonna lie, this meet is definitely a lot more calm and collective than the one that was the other day that y'all have seen on my channel. But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I've got special people now that we basically been doing. We're gonna be doing episodes on the channel. Alright, so y'all make sure that y'all subscribe to this channel. Alright, so y'all make sure, I want to make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can make sure y'all get the first peek on everything in this channel. Alright, so with that being said, y'all make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Alright, and let's keep seeing some cars rolled in. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna show y'all some good cars I've seen roll in, so let's get it. Alright, see me like it's funny about you. Sorry about that. 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 So we are at Torque Motorsports, and I did not even know that they had this in here, but they have a it's like literally like a racing simulator. I need one of these in my house. I need one of these in my house, because playing a good Forza game, a good anything on it, Need for Speed, wherever. Oh my God, that would literally be perfect. That would literally be perfect. Anyways, like I said, we're not here for the games. We're here for the car meet. So I'm gonna show y'all some of my cars. Let's get it.
She said I wanna watch a movie if y'all get a big dog. She said she need a big old booty, color but the builder. Thinking what that means, I'm colorblind. They told me that I'm murder and freaky like Columbine. Sorry about that, I had to switch inside. All my diamond flow, listen big, look at the size. All your shit is big, this shit is size.
They're coming down the middle.
Yeah, I don't know. Go another one.
That's just gonna get us kicked. All right.
follow behind him. Watch out, Bun. Somebody let this man's across. Raining really bad, but hey, we finna see y'all in the next one. All right, so like I said, I just want to give y'all a quick little meet tonight. Hey, but hey, we finna go ahead and wrap this up and get out of here. All right, so with that being said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the episode coming Saturday. Let's get it. All right.
Songs I made in a month is 160. Yeah, they say you keep on above it. How you so steady with it? They say you have pockets swollen. You gotta show me the shit. Better say how.